everyone, welcome back to my channel. Easy way to learn English for beginners. English learning tips for beginners. Number 1. Start a notebook for new words. Write down new words with their meanings in your own language. Number 2. Use English dictionary. Number 3. Try to construct small sentences with meaningful words. Number 4. Read English newspaper and magazine for better improvement. Number 5. Learn English grammar which helps to speak and read English. Number 6. Read English stories and novels. Number 7. Listen to English audio. Number 8. Watch YouTube channels in English. Number 9. Learn English more quickly by using some small words in daily life conversation. Number 10. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Be confident. People can only correct your mistakes when they hear you make them. Now we come to English grammar. Lesson 1. The sentence. A sentence is a group of words which start with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. A simple sentence contains a subject and a predicate. Sentence construction. A sentence is a collection of words that convey sense or meanings and is formed according to the logic of grammar. Clear, short sentences are preferable and more effective than long, complex ones. Example. Number 1. Rohit is a good boy. Number 2. Priya is a beautiful girl. Now we come to subject and predicate. A complete sentence contains two parts, a subject and a predicate. The subject is what or whom the sentence is about. The predicate tells us something about the subject. In the following sentence, the subject is highlighted. The predicate is enclosed in the bracket. Rahul runs. Here Rahul is the subject, runs is the predicate. Rahul and his dog run on the road. Rahul and his dog is the subject, run on the road is the predicate. To determine the subject of a sentence, first identify the verb and before the verb, the answer is the subject. Thank you.